Hey everyone, I want to show you a cool trick, how I use AI to create purchase orders in Notion. If you don't know me, I'm Yaniv, the creator of E-commerce Manager OS. Okay, so let's jump right into it. I created some products that we can see in the product gallery. I'm gonna click on the first one, Animals Mug. We can see all the product details here, and I'm going to scroll right to the bottom. Here we can see the purchase order instructions. And we see there's some purchase order instructions already populated in and a button ready for us to instruct the AI to create a purchase order for us. Note that I've set the quantities to 100 and the payment term to 30/70. Now we let AI do its thing. We have a new purchase order with all the product details, including the payment term calculated and the total cost. We can see that some things that we still have to put in for AI. For example, we note that the date was not correctly inserted. We can also change it to be full time. And we see that the company details is not populated correctly. We can just mark it, click here, select AI, note the page for my company details, and please fix the details. Voila, we have a purchase order created and we can send this page to our manufacturer. We just need to copy all the data, move it into a new page, and we are ready to send it to the manufacturer. You can use the same idea to create requirement documents for your subcontractors by using details you already stored in the My Store page. For example, if you populate your company color theme, you can use AI to add these instructions into your own requirements document, including your company details. Of course, E-commerce Manager OS comes with the same planning as the Pro version. If you've not seen that, you can see the link below for the Pro planning tutorial. In addition, E-commerce Manager OS includes the orders, in which you can insert simple orders of one item with several quantity and see the total cost, or a combined order where you can see several items on the same order and see the total cost here. Each order have a fulfillment status so that you can track them, and of course you can archive them. Okay, this completes the tutorial for E-commerce Manager OS. I hope you find value in this template. And as always, if you want to suggest recommendations or any other additional features or bug fix, don't hesitate to contact me through email, X, or coffee. I hope you best of luck and I hope you crush it in 2025. Goodbye.